When you imagine the perfect bite, what comes to mind? For me, it's a juicy, flavorful steak bite, bursting with garlic butter and herbs. Steak bites are incredibly versatile. They can be an appetizer, a main course, or even a topping for salads. And the best part, they are surprisingly easy to make. Today, we're going to create a recipe that will have you savoring every single bite. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 pounds of sirloin steak, cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of butter, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, chopped, and half a lemon, juiced. Start by patting your steak cubes dry with a paper towel. This helps them brown beautifully. Next, generously season the steak with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the steak bites. Make sure not to overcrowd the skillet. Sear the steak bites for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want them to develop a nice crust. Once seared, remove the steak bites from the skillet and set them aside. Section 4. Crafting the garlic butter. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the butter to the skillet. Allow the butter to melt completely. Then, add the minced garlic. Cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Section 5. The final flourish. Combining and serving your steak bites. Return the seared steak bites to the skillet. Toss them gently to coat them in the garlic butter. Cook for another minute, just to heat them through. Remove the skillet from the heat. Stir in the fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a touch of brightness that balances the richness of the dish. Serve your buttery garlic steak bites immediately. These bites are delicious on their own or served with your favorite sides. I love them with mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a simple green salad. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality dish that you can easily recreate at home.